Original owner, mint condition. One-level living, open floor plan. Potential studio in finished lower level with private entry. Half-acre plus fenced lot, workshop, public water and sewer. 1 mile to NJ Transit train and bus. 4 main level bedrooms and full guest bath. Master bedroom with private full bath. Finished walkout basement offers family room with private bath and opportunity to finish office section of the storage room for a 5th bedroom. Extensive wood deck off dining room is perfect for outdoor entertainment and lends an opportunity for entry into an above-ground pool. Amazing sunset views offer seasonal lake views on NJ's largest lake, Lake Hopatcong. Enjoy the public beach access with lifeguard, playground, public library, all in walking distance. Minutes to restaurant and shops. Desirable location, low taxes.